In this video we're going to summarize how to install Tacit VM and Tacit software. First, you're going to want to visit our website at tacitech.com. You can click on Products, Software Order Form, fill out the form in order to obtain a trial or license copy of the software. Next, you're going to want to go to Media, Download Software. You can click the first link here that says Download Tacit VM OVA. We've already done that. Importing the OVA is not unlike any other OVA import, but one important part of the process is here when you're customizing the network settings. The most important thing to not mess up here is the network mask. Normally you would want to enter something like 255.255.255.0, but in our case we're looking for the CIDR mask, so we entered /24, or actually 24 without the slash. After that, the VM is up and running, and you're going to receive an email from us that explains how to download the software, and it's going to provide the install script. So here we would download the install script to our local machine. In my case, I've already downloaded it here to this Downloads Tacit directory, and here's my VM. So if I take a look at my present working directory, when you log into the Tacit VM, you're going to be in Home Admin. If we take a look around, there's a Tacit directory. If we look within that Tacit directory, it's completely empty. So what we're going to do is we're going to move the install upgrade script over to that machine, and we're going to do an LSLA, and now we see the install upgrade script. So very simply, we're going to type in Python install upgrade. What this is going to do is it's going to reach out to our website, download the software, extract it, and now you're ready to run. All you need to do is type in /run, and the software is up and running.